Have you ever stopped to think about where all your digital stuff actually lives when you put it in the cloud? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on one of the most fundamental pieces of that puzzle, the Azure Storage account. Let's get right into it.
Okay, so to really wrap our heads around this, let's start with something super familiar. Just picture a small local library. You know the one. It's not just a place with books, it's this central, trusted spot for the whole community.
Now imagine that library has gotten a major upgrade. Instead of just books on shelves, it's now a high-tech vault for everyone's most important digital things. It's designed from the ground up to keep everything safe, sound, and perfectly organized.
And we're not talking about a little room with a few filing cabinets. This library has, for all practical purposes, infinite space. It's big enough to hold every photo you've ever taken, and at the same time it can store all the massive video files that power huge websites around the globe.
It's not just for personal things either. This library is also like a super secure vault for businesses. I mean, think about it. All the reports, spreadsheets, and critical documents a company relies on, they can all live here, totally protected from unauthorized access or, accidental deletion.
And maybe the most important job of all, this library is your ultimate safety net. It's the place you can back up, well, everything, from the pictures on your phone to the entire digital backbone of a massive company. It's that reliable. So, this amazing digital library we've been talking about, what do we actually call it? Well, it's time to give it its proper name. This whole concept, this central hub for your data, is what we call an Azure Storage account. Think of it as the main entrance, the front door to your personal data universe in the cloud. So what is it really? In the simplest terms, a storage account is a big, secure container for all of your data. But here's the key part. It gives that container a one-of-a-kind address on the internet. That means you, and only you, can get to your stuff from literally anywhere in the world.
So this front door is doing a few really important jobs for you. First, it gives your data a unique name so it never gets lost. Second, it works around the clock to make sure your data is always safe and available. And third, it's basically the security guard, controlling exactly who gets in and who doesn't.
Okay, but here's where the analogy really takes off. We started with a small local library, right? Well, get ready, because we're about to go from that cozy little building to something that spans the entire globe. The sense of scale here is just massive.
I mean, just look at this comparison. We're going from limited space to something that can scale almost infinitely. We're moving from a place that closes at 5 p.m. to something that is always on, 24/7. And the security? It's like going from a simple lock on the door to a world-class, multi-layered security system. It's a whole different league. And if you want to talk numbers, a single storage account can hold up to 5 petabytes of data by default. 5 petabytes. To put that in perspective, that's like having millions of HD movies in your back pocket. It's a truly staggering amount of space. Now, you might think a place this big would be a chaotic mess, but it's the exact opposite. It's incredibly organized. Inside this giant data library, there are different rooms, each one specially designed for a specific kind of data.
Let's do a quick tour, okay? First, you've got the Media Vault, which is perfect for unstructured things like photos and videos. Then there's the Digital Filing Cabinet, which works just like a shared network drive for your team. You also have a message board, which apps use to leave reliable messages for each other. And finally, there's a highly structured database room for your NoSQL data, a perfect spot for everything.
So, when you put it all together, what's the big idea here? What's the one thing you should really walk away with?
It's this. An Azure Storage account isn't just a utility or a service. It's a true home for your data. It's secure, it's scalable, and it's designed to grow right alongside you, from your very first file to billions of them, without you ever having to worry about running out of space. So yeah, that's the power you're getting. A secure, global home for all of your data, ready whenever you need it. The only question left is, what amazing things are you going to build with it?